Hello everyone, this is Sagar Jha, your physics educator on Unacademy. Today I am going to tell you one secret. The secret is that we all are black in color. The objects that you see around, everything is black. Well, you can see colorful objects around, then why am I saying that everything is black? See, it is clear that whatever you see, only in the presence of light you can see, right? Whatever colorful objects that you have around, if light is not there, you switch off the light, everything is black, completely dark. See, there is a phenomena of light called dispersion of light. This shows that a white color of light has all the colors of light into it. You pass a white light, you get through a prism, you get all the colors from other side. That means if you combine all the colors of light, you get white light. Now let's see how do we see the colors of the objects. Suppose you have an apple over here. Well, the apple, when white light falls on the apple, what apple does is that it absorbs all the colors of light from the white light, only it does not absorb red color. It just reflects red color everywhere. So that red color light just goes in your eyes and you can see that apple is red. So apple is actually not red. The color is of that light, that red light that comes from the apple, that reflects from the apple, goes into your eyes, and that's why you see apple to be red. Actually, apple doesn't have any color, it is just black. Similarly, when you have a shirt, white light falls on it, it absorbs all the colors of light except blue. Blue is reflected by it and then you see it to be blue. Actually, it is black only. Whatever things that you see around, everything is black, right? It just reflects different colors of light. Apple is black, shirt is black, rose is black, umbrella is black, everything that you see around is black. I am black, you are also black, the entire universe is black. Different colors of light just gets reflected. So they are the colors of light. We all are actually black. So now if someone tells you that, look, I am good looking, that means he doesn't know physics.